My baby's so very sexy.
Sorry.
My baby put the fever.
Very well.
Okay, what are you going to sing?
We're going to sing What I Did for Love from the show A Chorus.
Wonderful.
Great song.
To her, like, okay, the elderly lady is there. At least for respect to the elderly lady. Okay, fake. I'm calling fake. It's fake. We decided, chat, it's fake. Anything like that. Just has a bathroom and then like the service room where like all the electrical. Oh, she's definitely here.
That's possible.
There's like a lot of animals that you wonder how are they alive today. But they're so cute. I mean, there's still all those insane donations, but I'll do a longer stream tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
When I'm feeling a little better, you guys. Honestly, I think the big thing is I'm so much more confident right now. Like, I was really insecure about my accent. I promise it's not your average Instagram follower for sure.
Who am I supposed? What's his name? Everyone's names are different.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you so much. And because we didn't evolve, like you can trace genetically the lies that is in our heads. I don't really picture myself with like thank you, Kenji. Welcome, Kiwi. Oh my. I don't know. I have a very expressive face. Nice. That was a good one. Can I play some Mario Kart? Thank you, no fear, no joy. Thank you for the.
Maria. How are you, ladies?
Oh, everybody picked my favorite. I love this one.
Rainbow Road.
Oh my God, there's a chick that has two faces. Bring her peace. She is a very peaceful person. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Did you see my Insta post?